Addiction is one of the most common problems in today's world. Addictions develop due to some lifestyle habits that you are not supposed to do in the first place. The journey to stop addiction is not that easy, and you have to give your best to overcome it. You have to sacrifice many things to develop different lifestyle habits to combat your addiction. So, today in this video, I will tell you some great tips to combat your addiction and overcome it. So, without wasting time, let's dive in. Number 1. Change your lifestyle. Yeah, I know it's not that easy, but it's not impossible. If you really want to overcome your addiction, then you need to change your lifestyle and adopt a new lifestyle. Well, getting enough rest, changing diet, exercising, stress management helps in improving your physical health. But, did you know? These lifestyle changes can help you in improving your mental health. According to some experts, these lifestyle changes can help you to reduce stress and anxiety, and also boost your mood. These changes can completely help you in getting rid of your bad habits. This might look simple, but this is a powerful weapon you can use. Number 2. Dietary changes. You need to follow a good diet that is rich in whole grains and low in saturated fats. You should eat fresh vegetables and fruits, which helps in reducing the risk of many health complications such as diabetes, obesity, and heart disease. Foods that are rich in omega-3 fatty acids are also discovered to improve memory and learning. They also help in reducing the symptoms of mood disorders and depression. Healthy foods keep you physically and mentally fit, and this will help you to be free from any negative emotions that can cause depression. This happens to be the reason why some people become addicted to bad habits. Number 3. Get enough sleep. Sleeping has a lot of benefits and also has a strong effect on a person's mood. Whenever you are depressed and you don't get enough sleep, then this can make your depression even worse. Fatigue, moodiness, and sadness are all caused due to sleep deprivation. Apart from these, sleeping also helps in reducing stress, lowers blood pressure, improves memory, and also helps you in maintaining your weight. You should always get enough and proper sleep every night to help your body system function properly. Number 4. Stress management. One of the major reasons why people get addicted to bad habits is stress. Little stress is okay and doesn't possess any harm to your body. But, why you start taking too much stress, then it can be harmful to your health. You should follow a certain exercise and do meditation regularly. This can help in lowering down your stress and also helps in reducing anxiety. Effective stress management is great for your health as it balances your emotions, and you can be happier, healthier, and more productive. There are many ways to manage your stress, and for that, you can do deep breathing exercises, distracts yourself, and you can do this by listening to music or podcasts. There are many ways available on the internet, you should refer to them. Number 5. Exercise. Exercising regularly not only keep you physically fit but will also keep you mentally fit. Regular exercise will help you in improving your mood, improve sleep, and also increase your strength and energy. Did you know? Exercise can work as a natural painkiller because when you exercise, body releases endorphins to your bloodstream that work as a natural painkiller. Endorphins help you in improving your mood, which makes you feel better. Apart from these benefits, exercising regularly also lowers down the level of cortisol in your body, also known as depression hormone or stress hormone. Number 6. Get buddies. You should get some good buddies who will motivate you to leave these addictions. Don't be around those guys who are addicted to a certain drug. Good friends will always help you to surpass everything and get your desired life. You can hang out with your friends, can go on an adventure, spend time with them, and much more you can do, which will eventually divert your mind from such things. You will also feel less depressed when good friends are around you. Addiction is not at all good for your health. This will ruin everything and you won't be able to do anything. You should always get over these addictions and start a new life. All these lifestyle changes must look simple, but trust me, these simple things can help you to stop your bad habits. I hope you like this video. If so, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. I will be meeting you in the next video with another exciting video. Till then, goodbye.